What's the meaning of busted? Busted. Busted.
Busted. Busted. The term busted has several possible meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, it refers to a situation where someone or something has been caught, discovered, or exposed in some way. For example, if a criminal is busted by the police, it means they have been caught and arrested for their crimes. Similarly, if a piece of equipment or machinery is busted, it means it is no longer working properly or has become damaged beyond repair. In essence, being busted implies a negative outcome or consequence resulting from one's actions or circumstance.